Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone via Bluetooth on a Nissan Altima. This one is a 2017. Um, it's a 2018, I should say, and it's the same thing for the 2017. It's the same thing from 2013, I think, all the way to 2018. And I think the 2019 changed to a different body shape and a different radius. So if your Altima look like this, your Nissan Altima look like this, this will be how to connect your phone by the Bluetooth, through the Bluetooth on this car. So you want to crank the car up and let the radio boot up, and just give it a few seconds, like probably 30 seconds or a minute or 1 minute, to get the whole Bluetooth and everything system come on board. Alright, so it's doing all that in the background. Okay, so I have my radio volume all the way down for copyright reason. So you want to press enter or settings. So over there you're gonna have Bluetooth right there. So you can use this to navigate throughout the system, but you want to be on Bluetooth. So you press enter again. You want to add phone.
Add phone. The system is searching for your phone. Using your handset, look for a Bluetooth device called My Car.
Okay, you want to follow that prompt gave you. So go in your Bluetooth settings. So whatever phone you have, Bluetooth or whether it's Android or Apple, so it doesn't matter what operating system you have. Just go in your Bluetooth settings and let it scan for the car, and then you're gonna see My Car come up, and then you want to press that, and
please confirm the pin matches using the handset.
okay, so the pin match, press OK. You can allow permission to access your
Galaxy S5 connected.
Okay, so now that's connected. So this is up to you, your preference. If you want, when somebody call you, the person name come up on your radio, you press yes. If you don't want that, you press no. Okay, if you want the car to read out your message, you can press yes. If you don't want that, you press no, and there you go. So if you want to select the to play a song from your phone, you will go to media right there, and as you see, that's from this phone, as you see right there, and it's the same thing right there. And so yeah guys, that's how you do it. Say go back in here, go back to Bluetooth. Say you try to add your phone, but the list is full. What you can do is, I was there turning the wrong button. What you can do is go to delete phone, press enter. So you have an iPhone in there and you have another phone. So press enter, and that's gone. Then you go back there and you can do the same thing. Okay, and that's gone also. Alright, so thank you guys for your love and support. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Peace out. See you next time.